this video I want to talk to you about how I became a junior software engineer. I'm not a genius. I had been playing computer games since I was 8 years old, and I've been playing it just every day. I was doing only two things, like going to the school and then playing computer games, and maybe between all the time watching some YouTube funny content about Minecraft or something like that. I don't actually remember, yeah. But then I found interesting videos about photo and video editing. Some bloggers were talking about Adobe Illustrator, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects, and I just liked what I saw. That content could be made by only one person. These effects, back in time, it was really cool, so I decided to be a blogger. Yeah, it's not my first channel on this platform. I've been trying to do some content, yeah, but I was pretty bad on it. This is something that I was trying to do, Then I went to IT Step Academy. We were learning there a lot of stuff about programming, HTML, CSS, PHP, Python, Arduino, 3D Max, AutoCAD, SketchUp, and the most popular Adobe applications like Illustrator, Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects, and the last one, it was Adobe Animate. So yeah, I have some experience with video editing and photo editing. But when I was in that academy, I just didn't like to study in there. I wasn't giving even attention to all of that programming languages. The only, let's say, two classes that I've been studying, it was Arduino and Adobe Premiere Pro. At the same time I was going to the college. I've been studying in major software engineering. Didn't study for real. We were learning Pascal and C++, those two languages. In the third course we got a new teacher. He was senior engineer, so he was teaching us JavaScript, and we got coursework with him, and I tried to use my friend to create something interesting. We decided to create 3D maze only with native JavaScript, and also using some libraries. So that was my first experience with JavaScript. And after we passed all exams in our college, we had holidays, summer holidays, I was watching only YouTube channels, and I found React courses building some social network application. So I've been learning this React for the whole summer, and then just had COVID, and I don't know, I just entered the university and I've been studying college also. So actually I just didn't have any free time for studying React. Yeah, you could say I've been lazy. I really been lazy, so I quit. I just wanted to chill, to spend my free time after I do some exercises in my university, in college, just to chill, to watch some videos, to watch some movies, to watch some TV series. Yeah, actually I remember I played with some friends and we were streaming these games. So after I graduated the college, I just had again the summer holidays, and I had 3 August left. Yeah, and I decided to start these courses again because in 1 year I forgot just everything that I learned a year ago, and my goal was to finish it this time. So during the August I've been studying for the whole day, 8 hours a day or something like that. I don't actually remember, sometimes 10 hours a day, and in 3 months I finished this course, thank God. And I decided to learn some advanced stuff. So I've been learning TypeScript. So I decided to create a messenger. It was pet project. So I realized that I need to write backend for it because it wasn't working only on front end. So yeah, I had to learn some backend, Node.js and Express, if you know of what I'm talking about. So I've been doing this messenger for 5 or 6 months, and in February I started to looking for a job. I've been doing some interviews, I've been doing some test tasks. Yeah, I've been just trying to get my first job. Yeah, so yeah, and I just couldn't find anything until June. So I found a bootcamp. For entering this bootcamp, I had 2 interviews, with HR manager and then technical interview. And then I successfully entered bootcamp, and I wasn't the only one. There were 25 of us, as I remember, and we had a task to do in 2 weeks. Yeah, so I finished it in 1 week, and I guess one more guy finished it in 2 weeks, yeah, so only 2 of us passed this bootcamp. So after bootcamp, we got like a month of trial period. And also I've got a cool mentor who was mentoring me during all of the time, and currently he's also mentoring me, Herdwood. And after I successfully finished trial period, I was hired like a junior software engineer, like full stack developer. So it took me 9 months for getting from beginning to the junior software engineer position. So this is my road to IT industry. And for those who are still thinking about becoming a software engineer, just go for it. As you can see, I'm not some smart ass. I'm just a lazy human. So if I could do that. So that's it for this video. Make sure you watch my previous and next video. See you guys. Ah, my legs. I need to find a pillow. Ooh, let's go. Wait. Am I still recording that? Fuck.